Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive watch website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Right now we are in the home section. You can see the navbar elements as well as the hover effect, color change on it. And this responsive watches website also has an functionality that is light and dark mode functionality. You can see we can change it from light mode to dark mode using this button, and we have an add to cart button. You can see here the cart as well. Then we can go to the main section. You can see we have added the text that is for the social media tags, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. And you can see the hover effect on the button, and you can see the shadow effect around the button. Then we can go to the next section, that is the feature section, and you can see whenever I hover onto it, we'll get an extra bar with the button element to buy the button. And you can see the hover and enlargement, and you can see we have aligned the sale element exactly towards the left hand top side to get a very perfect and professional look to the section. We can go to the next one. Here you can see the watch is aligned perfectly at the center, background, the button also. Then we can go to the product section. You can see the hover effect as well as you can see the hover effect on the add to cart button, changing its color to pink. Then we can go to the next section. You can see this is the testimonial section, perfectly aligned and with an swiper functionality. This is done by using JavaScript library, swiper library. Then we can go and you can see the perfectly circled image here we have created and a mask behind it. Then we can go to the new arrival section, and you can see the hover effect on them and getting a background change as well as the button change. That is, new button will change to black color, and button hover we get the buy now button. Then we can go to the next, that is our subscribe to newsletter. You can see the hover effect, email, and we can go to the footer section. Then the social icons that we have added. Then we can go to the top button by using this button, and as I told you before, it is also available in a dark mode. You can see this is the dark mode of the website, perfectly color ambient for both light mode and dark mode. We have perfectly aligned each and every section with very good colors, and you can see the hover effect. The entire website is responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. This is the desktop version. Now let's go to the mobile version of the website. This is the mobile version of the website. You can see perfectly aligned based on the size of the screen. No space, extra large space is taken. Perfectly aligned. And we have the menu bar here, the top. You can see very smooth transition, movement from one section to another section. And the theme change button is also available here only. You can see the color change from light mode to dark mode. Perfectly aligned each and every section. You can see this is the tab version of the website. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The full tutorials are available on the channel. If you like the content, definitely watch them. And if you like them, definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive gym website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description, so definitely try to build this project. The entire project is made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and we have used the JavaScript library for smooth animation, and we have used all the main styles that we can use from the CSS, and you can see very smooth transition effect as well. And now let's go to each and every page. This is the home page. You can see we have a down arrow button which is with an infinity loop which will move continuously downside, showing us to move downside. So now when we click on it, we can go to the next slide. You can see how neatly we have aligned each section and the smooth transition effect. Then here we have added a function here. Whenever we open this button, we will get a full view of the text that is below it. You can do it for the rest of also. And you can see the hover effect on the button, very smooth transition, and the background color also changes. We can go to the next section. You can see here the smooth transition as well as how we have aligned them perfectly. Then we can go to the next one, that is the start your training today. You can see the hover effect and the smooth transition effect, and you can see here we have created a table by using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript here. By using the HTML table, and we have used the CSS to make it look like this, and you can see how neatly they have all been aligned. And this is the workout gallery. You can see whenever you hover onto it, the original color of the image will appear, and you can see this is the gray shadow effect that we have used. And whenever we remove it, when we will be able to see the original image. Then we can see the packages that we have available in the gym section. You can see how neatly and perfectly we have aligned every data at exactly the center, and the join now button, as well as you can see the form element to give any email message information to the gym owners, as well as we have integrated the social media icons. And you can see the hover effect giving a very good professional gym website. It is entirely made using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And now let's see the menu bar. You can see here by clicking on this we are getting the menu bar and a very smooth transition effect. And you can see how smoothly we are moving from one section to another section. It is very important that in any website that we are building, we should have a very proper navigation system. You can see how neatly we have aligned, and each and every section we have given in the navigation bar. It is very important, and the entire website is responsive. Let me show you the mobile as well as the tab version. This is the desktop version as we see now. Let's go to the mobile version. So this is the mobile version of the gym website. You can see perfectly aligned with the size of the website that we have, the screen size. And you know that it is very important that we are using the 100% width of the screen size that we have, so that we can be able to align all the elements perfectly. And it is very important that we should always have our website responsive, because it will gives us a very professional look to our website, that it can be able to be accessed in different mobile screen sizes, and it gives a very good efficiency to our users, that they can be able to access the website from any device that they have. It may be mobile, it may be tab, or it even may be a desktop laptop that they are using. You can see that perfectly by providing such a code, you will be able to grab more attention from your users, and it will be a very professional thing for your journey in the gym field. And I hope you loved this website, and the full tutorial will be added to our YouTube channel of explaining the line by line code. And if you want to build this project all by yourself, the source code is available in the description. And if you want to give me any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And if you and definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.